Good day, ẹ kú dédé àsìkò yìí o. Olabisiomoyoruba ló ń kí yín. Welcome once again to my channel. If you are coming across my video for the very first time, please subscribe to this channel. And if you are a returning viewer, I say thank you very much. I really appreciate you. And you are here again to learn another new and interesting thing. Today, we want to talk about the names of animals in Yoruba. A fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ nípa orúkọ àwọn ẹranko ní èdè Yorùbá. Oríṣiríṣi ẹranko ló wà. A ní èyí tá ń bá gbélé, a dẹ̀ ní àwọn tó wà nínú igbó. We have both domestic and wild animals. We'll be talking about the two, and we'll not really based on any one of them. And we have a lot of animals. We can actually not talk about all the animals that we have in the whole world, but we'll talk about some of them. We'll be starting with dog. Dog, ajá. In Yoruba, dog is ajá. Cat, olóńgbò. Cat, olóńgbò. Fish, ẹja. Fish, ẹja. Goat, ewúrẹ́. Goat, ewúrẹ́. Sheep, àgùntàn. Cow, màálù. Cow, màálù. Lion, kìnìún. Lion, kìnìún. Rat, eku. Rat, eku. Lizard, aláǹgbá. Mosquito, ẹ̀fọn. Wall gecko, ọmọlé. Cockroach, aáyán. Bird, ẹyẹ. Leopard, àmọ̀tẹ́kùn. Leopard, àmọ̀tẹ́kùn. Monkey, ọ̀bọ. Monkey, ọ̀bọ. Scorpion, àkekèé. Scorpion, àkekèé. Elephant, erin. Earthworm, ekòló. Crab, akàn. Crab, akàn. Crab, akàn. Butterfly, labalábá. Bedbug, ìdun. Bee, oyin. Snake, ejò. Pig, ẹlẹ́dẹ̀. Pig, ẹlẹ́dẹ̀. Tortoise, ìjàpá. Tortoise, ìjàpá. I hope you are actually following, and try to say after me. You can actually rewind the video to listen again. Say after me the way I've been saying it, like pronounce it, and with time you get used to it. You can actually use it in a sentence. If you have a pet that is a dog, I have a dog, you say mo ní ajá. Mo ní ajá. That is a goat. Ewúrẹ́ nìyẹn. Ewúrẹ́ nìyẹn. Say a pig. Ẹ wo ẹlẹ́dẹ̀. Or maybe there is someone walking by the road and there is a snake coming. The person didn't see the snake. You actually say, hey, snake, snake, ejò, ejò. The person will be alerted and will leave the place. So in case you're actually communicating with someone that don't understand Yoruba, with these little ones as you are learning, if you are putting it into practice, you'll be able to speak Yoruba very well. So once again, before I go, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the notification bell and subscribe to this channel. Olabisiomoyoruba ló ń kí yín. Till I come again. Ó dàbọ̀.